Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to scan QR code on Android. First thing to do is to go to your camera. And then once you're here, you need to go to these three vertical lines here and go to settings. Now kindly look for scan QR or scan QR code if your camera has this feature. Now, unfortunately, my camera doesn't have one, so I cannot scan QR code. That is not a problem, and Android phone users shouldn't be bothered about that. Go to Google Play Store and look for Google Lens. If you don't have, then kindly install this application, but if you have, kindly click open. Now, once you open, this is what it looks like. We have some options here like homework, shopping, places, dining. So I have to pick search. And then if you're an Android phone, all you have to do is to point this Google Lens or camera on a specific QR code. For example, I'm going to point this to my other phone. So I scan a QR code here, and here's a link. All you have to do is to click this one, and it will take you directly to that website. Here's an example. Now you can do this to other QR codes and not only on phone. Also, you can point this lens to any other things with QR codes. Then the link will appear. This is a really simple method for scanning QR codes. The lens button can show up automatically depending on the version of assistant you're using. You must allow your lens to use your camera. And if you have never used it before, all you have to do is to redirect your camera at the QR code. And if you have already set this up, it will scan, show the link, and you can go directly to that site. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.